Hi guys, I'm just going to give a brief overview about digital marketing, specifically the Legacy Builder program. It's quite easy, step-by-step tutorials. Okay, do you only want to get paid $13, $20 an hour, working 8 hours a day? You're only making $160 per day. Do you realize there is a work at home opportunity where you can make 100% profit by promoting other people's programs? You purchased the Legacy Builder program, which has step-by-step training. You purchase it at $900 and are then able to resell it. You get something called master resale rights, which means you can sell it over and over and over again at the same purchase price. Okay? So can you imagine how many people can you resell it to? Okay? Now the Legacy Builder program, as I said, you can sell it over and over again. You've only purchased it the once. It's totally yours. You sell it on. The digital world is quite exciting now. It's becoming more and more popular. Everything's online these days. So if you're new to this field, you might be wondering how difficult it'll be to learn the ropes. The good news is that digital marketing is not as daunting as it seems. With the right guidance and the resources, anyone can master it. This article will show you how to get started and why online digital marketing is easy. Ooh. What is digital marketing? Okay, it involves promoting products or services through digital channels, such as social media, via email, search engines, websites. It's a broad field that includes various techniques, especially like search engine optimization, typing in specific words and it'll pop up for you. Why is digital marketing easy to learn? I suppose the abundant resources. The internet is full of free as well as paid resources. Websites, blogs and online courses offer step-by-step guides and tutorials on every aspect of digital marketing. You have user-friendly tools. Tools like Google Analytics, Canva are designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. These tools provide insights and automate many tasks, making your job easier. Community support, okay. Within the Digital Growth Program, we have a community, which is a great place to ask questions, share experiences and get advice from seasoned marketers. There are also lots of testimonials where people have changed their lives. It's been a bit mind-blowing. Anyway, I conclude that embarking on a journey in digital marketing is both exciting and rewarding. With a plethora of resources available and a supportive community, learning the basics, it's easier than ever. Start today and you'll soon discover that digital marketing is not only easy to learn, but also a powerful tool to grow your online business. Good luck, guys.